Hello students, welcome to maths class. Today we will discuss the next types of the topic area and perimeter, which is used to find area and perimeter of two-dimensional figures. Children, before starting with the questions related to today's class, first have a look on the objectives of today's class. Children, so far we have discussed first 7 objectives. Now today we will discuss next objectives, that is objective number 8 and 9. Objective number 8 is area and perimeter of a sector, and objective number 9 is rotations made by a wheel concept. So today we will discuss these two concepts and sums related to these concepts. So now let's start with the questions. Students, before starting with the question and formula related to sector, first I want to tell you what is a sector. So sector is a portion of a circle enclosed by 2 radii and an arc. So it is enclosed between 2 radii and 1 arc, and here we will have an angle which will be theta. So this is the shape of the sector. Now we will do question and formula related to the sector. Students, before starting with the question related to area of sector, we will discuss what's the formula of area of sector. So formula of area of sector is equals to 1 by 2 into r into length of arc into theta into 360 degree. So here what is the value of length of arc? That is 2 pi r. So here cutting off 2 by 2 and we will get left out is pi r into r square into theta by 360 degree. So children, this is the formula of area of sector, which is equals to pi r square into theta by 360 degree. Now students, we will do a question related to this formula. Children, now let's start with the question related to area of sector. So let's read the statement. It is, a car has 2 wipers which do not overlap. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 centimeter, sweeping through an angle of 115 degree. Find the total area to be cleaned. So children, see what is given to us in this statement. It is given to us length of the blade, which is the radius. So it is the value of r. Sweeping through an angle of 115 degree. So this is the angle. So this is the value of theta. And what we need to find? We need to find the total area to be cleaned. So let's start with the solution. See how to find the area. Children, let's start with solution. Solution is, for each wiper radius equals to 25 centimeter. Why I have written each wiper? Because there are total 2 wipers and radius of first wiper is equals to 25 centimeter and radius of second wiper also 25 centimeter and theta equals to 115 degree. Now therefore area cleaned by 2 wipers is equals to 2 multiplied by theta upon 360 degree into pi r square. This is the formula of area of sector, and here I have multiplied with 2. Why? Because there are 2 wipers. And why, children, we have applied area of sector here? Because we know that wipers of car are of this shape. They sweep, they clean the area in this shape, and this is enclosed between 2 radii and 1 arc. So this is the form of a sector. Apply the formula, put the value of theta, that is 115 degree, pi, that is 22 upon 7, r, that is 25 into 25. Now children, do the multiplication. After multiply these numbers, I'll get this one, 158125 upon 126 centimeters square. So here divide by 126, I'll get 1254.96 centimeters square. So this is the answer. It means this is the area which is to be wiped or swept by the 2 wipers of a car. Students, after doing the area of sector, we will do the perimeter of sector. So its formula is 2 pi r theta by 360 degree plus 2r units. Now we will discuss a question related to perimeter of sector. Children, let's begin with the question related to perimeter of sector. Statement is, figure shows 2 radii which are 60 centimeter and meet at an angle of 270 degree, enclosed between an arc. Find the perimeter of the given figure and take pi is equals to 3.14. So children, see what is given to us. This is the value of radii, means this is r, and make an angle of 270 degree, means this is the value of theta. Now we will start with the solution. Solution is, in the figure radius equals to 60 centimeter and theta equals to 270 degree. Now we need to find the perimeter of the given figure. So as from the figure we can see that it is the shape of a sector. So perimeter of sector is equals to 2 pi r upon theta plus 2r units. Now here put the values of pi, r and theta. Here also value of r upon 360 degree centimeter. So here we will do the cutting. So after cutting we will get 282.6 plus 120. So by adding these two, I will get 402.60 centimeter as the perimeter of the given figure. Children, see the next concept, which is related to distance traveled by a wheel. So what is a distance moved by a wheel in 1 revolution? It is equals to circumference of the wheel. So from here we can derive a formula, that is number of rotations. Number of rotations made by a wheel is equals to distance upon circumference of the wheel, because wheel is in of circle shape. So here formula will become distance upon 2 pi r. 2 pi r is the formula of circumference of the wheel. Now we will discuss a sum which is related to concept of revolution of wheel. Statement is, the diameter of the driving wheel of a bus is 140 centimeter. So this is the value of d, and we know that d is half of the radius. Next line is, how many revolutions must the wheel make so that distance is equals to 1100 meter. So children, here radius is half of the diameter, so radius will become 70 centimeter. And what we need to find? We need to find how many revolutions, means we need to find number of revolutions made by a wheel, means value of n. N stands for numbers. And what else is given to us? So that to make a distance of 1100 meter. So let's start with the solution. Solution is, in a wheel, diameter equals to 140 centimeter, so radius will be 70 centimeter. Now children, see, distance is given to us in meter and radius is in centimeter. So to make the unit same, we will change this centimeter also in meter. So as in 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter, so this will be divided by 100. So this 0 will cut and we will get 0.7 meter as the radius of the given wheel. Now formula of number of revolutions is equals to distance, that is t, upon circumference of wheel, which is equals to 2 pi r. Now put the value of distance, that is 1100, upon 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7, value of pi, into r, that is 0.7. So children, here we will do the cutting of 7 and 0.7. I'll get 0.1. So 1100 upon 2 into 22 will become 44 into 0.1. So multiply by 1, we will get same number 44, and place of decimal is 1. So here I'll get 4.4. Now after dividing these two numbers, I will get 250 revolutions. Means total number of revolutions are 250. So this is the answer of the given question. Children, today we have done two concepts, that are area and perimeter of a sector and rotations made by a wheel. So children, I hope that these both concepts are clear to you and you will be able to solve the worksheets that has been sent to you in SNAP homework. Thank you and